Dr. Jozef Vengloš was a Slovak professional football player and manager. He held a doctorate in physical education and also specialized in psychology. He had been selected by FIFA on various occasions to lecture at the FIFA academies throughout the world. Born in Ruomberok, Czechoslovakia, Vengloš played as a midfielder for Slovan Bratislava 1954-1966 and later captained the team and also played for Czechoslovakia at the B level. After his playing career was prematurely ended by hepatitis, he began his managerial career in Australia, first in club football, before going on to manage the national team. He then returned to Czechoslovakia and coached at club and under-23 national level. In 1973, Vengloš was appointed as manager of Slovan Bratislava. During his 3 years in charge, he twice won the championship. He was also assistant manager of Czechoslovakia from 1973-1978. As assistant to Václav Žižek, he helped guide the team to victory in the Euro 1976, beating the Netherlands in the semi-finals and West Germany in the final. As manager of Czechoslovakia from 1978 to 1982, Vengloš led his side to third place in the 1980 European Championship. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.